guys, I hope you're really well today and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually back with my first haul of 2022, which is very exciting, and I cannot wait to show you all of the homeware bits that I've got recently. This is a pretty big haul. Make sure you do subscribe if you like this kind of video. I'm gonna be posting a flat glow up really soon, so I'll show you all of these bits sort of in their place and how it's sort of elevated and transformed the room. And I've also got a DIY video coming because there's a couple of things in the flat that I'm actually gonna have a go at upcycling. Something you may have seen on my Instagram story is my new mug. So this is a Harry Potter Le Creuset mug. I love Le Creuset. It's just beautiful. It's so classic and it just sort of fits in with every space. They are expensive, of course. It's not the kind of thing that, you know, I'd go out and buy the whole range or anything like that. But I do think it's a nice thing to collect. On the complete opposite end of the price range, I actually got some fairy lights from Primark because all of my fairy lights, for some reason, I guess over time they just break and stuff. These were £2, so I mean, you really can't go wrong. I think I'm gonna put them maybe like behind on these shelves or something like that to add a little bit of sparkle. The next thing that I got was from H&M Home. H&M Home is one of my favourite homeware stores. I feel like their stuff looks super luxe and expensive, but it's always quite a good price. I picked up this beautiful marble tray, and you could really use this for so many things. You could use it, you know, to put your makeup on or some candles or something like that, or you could use it to put beauty products on and display them on it. You could use it for a candle, you could use it in the kitchen. There really is so many uses for this, and I actually don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I've always wanted something like this. To be honest, the ones that I'd seen in the past were so expensive. This one was £25, which to be honest I think is pretty reasonable because it's so heavy and really good quality. Also from Primark, I got an amazing candle. It is this one, so it's, I think they call it a bell jar candle, and it's huge. It looks so pretty and so expensive, and it was £10. They actually had a lot of different candles in there, a lot of different scents, a lot of different styles. Next up we have my elephant, which was from the range. My mum actually got this for me. I have shown this in my flat tour. Since then he has moved. He now lives in the bathroom. I don't think he was in the bathroom in my first flat tour. Maybe he was, but anyway, he has moved. I just showed this because a lot of people do ask where it's from. It's from the range and it's just so cute. I have a couple of bits that I got in the White Company sale. I love the White Company so much. If I could afford it, I'd have everything from there. First thing that I got was some new oven gloves. I did briefly show these in my last video, my cleaning video. I just needed some new ones and I just thought these were really nice and neutral, you know, kind of go with all my stuff. If anybody likes Gavin and Stacey, the bit where Pete's testing out the oven gloves. Just me. Some people will get what I mean, I'm sure. And then I got a set of tea towels, so you actually get 2 in the set, but the other one's dirty because I've used them. So yeah, I just thought these were really cute. Also from the White Company in the sale, I've got, I think the cushion covers were in the sale. I may be mistaken, it could have just been the throw, but I'm pretty sure these had 20% off as well. Anyway, I got these 2 lovely faux fur cushions in this beautiful cream colour. I needed a new throw and cushions for my bed. The one I had before basically just was old and it went all disgusting, so I really needed new ones. So I got 2 of these. You'll actually see that I've decided to put one on my sofa. It actually looks nicer there, and then I've got some different cushions for the bed, but I'll show you all that in the flat video. I ended up having a change of heart and rearranging things a bit, but it's all worked out in the end. So these were just the covers, just to bear in mind, you don't get the inner. I actually had the inners from the old cushions, but yeah, you just get this, so just bear that in mind, you will need to buy the inners. And then I also got the matching throw, which, can I just say, was very expensive, but the quality is unbelievable. It's so beautiful. It's almost a weighted blanket kind of feel because it's so heavy. I don't regret buying that. I bought it with my Christmas money. The thing with the White Company is it's always sort of the same stuff every year, so when they do the sales, that's the best time to get everything, of course, because it's gonna go up to full price again. So you might as well get it in the sale. I also got these cushions from Primark. How cute are they? These were £10. I love these. I think they look so much more expensive than £10, and you know, you get the inner as well, which is amazing. They feel lovely and I really like this design. I've actually ended up with these on my bed. I feel like this has turned into a cushion haul because I also got these from Cox & Cox, I think it's called. Little ones and big ones. These are actually going on the bed because, as I say, I had a change of heart with the other cushions. These are such nice quality. Look at the back. They're really lovely and a really nice shade of pink. Oh, and these were also in the sale, but I think that sale has ended, I think. I guess this is kind of homey, but not strictly so. It's stationery, but anyway, I'll just show you because I love it. So this is my new diary from Anthropologie. I got this in the sale, really beautiful inside. I'm guessing most of you have probably got your diaries by now, but if you haven't, this one's great. It's got all these different pages for your goals and stuff, which I love. I really like how it's set out. You've got plenty of space to write in it. Again, this is kind of a fashion item, but I do consider slippers as quite homeware-y type thing. So I got these slippers in the Jack Wills sale. They were £15. Me and my mum got a pair. I've got mine on my feet, and these are actually my mum's because she's staying with me at the moment. These are very similar to some other higher end brands. They feel gorgeous. They're really nice and soft. Got a really nice sole. And obviously you can't go wrong with some fluffy sliders. And then I actually got this really cool makeup box from Amazon, and I find this box so nostalgic because it's basically one of those makeup boxes that I feel like a lot of people, if you did like dancing competitions and stuff as a kid, this is exactly the type of box that I used to put all of my makeup in, so it was all organised. My reason for buying this is simply because in this flat I don't have loads of makeup storage. I have a lot of clothing storage, but not loads of beauty product storage. It's kind of mostly under my bed, but my actual sort of lipstick collection and stuff like that, I can't really see what's what. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get this. At least while I'm living in this space, I can actually kind of see what I've got a bit better. And then the last thing, I have actually had these for a couple of months, but I just wanted to shout out my lovely friend Jay's small business. She has a business on Etsy called Sad Society Press, and she basically makes the coolest prints. So you may have seen my Ariana Grande prints on my wall over there. I'll insert a clip. And this is one of the other ones I've got, which is usually found at the back of me on that chest of drawers. And obviously she doesn't just have Ariana Grande, she has Euphoria, she has all, you know, Taylor Swift, loads of TV programs and celebrities, and basically all of the people that you love. She makes these amazing prints. You can get really big ones, you can get these A4 ones, and they're just so cool, and they add a really personal touch to your home. So it'd be amazing if you could go check out her Etsy page. Right guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm really excited to put all this back in the places where it's supposed to be, because I'm just surrounded by homeware now. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and make sure you check out my recent videos. I posted a cleaning video the other day. Cleaning and organising was really fun, and I'm posting on TikTok and Instagram most days at the moment as well. But I will see you next time. Have an amazing day, and I love you guys loads. Bye.